A tutorial by Learn Fast Studios.
Let us demonstrate static block, static method, and static variable. Let us see the program. Take a class and main method. Now I am going to say about static block. Static block should be right before this main method. Here, in this static block, I write a statement, a print statement, which will says that student details in some X college. As I took the student details class, I print some college name in this static block. This static block will execute before the main method. Let us see more about this static block. Static block means when a class is loaded to the main memory, first it verifies whether the class contains any static block or not. If it finds a static block, it will execute it first. Let us continue with the program. Let us take another class, and now I want to take static variables. Let us see what is static variable. A variable defined with the keyword static denoted as static variable. If it is a static variable, it is only one for all the objects created. That is, let us see here, it will be allocated with the memory only once, irrespective of number of objects created to that class, and it is shared by all the objects. And memory allocation for the static variables is done in class area or method area. Let us take a static variable. I am taking college name, another static variable branch. Now using these two static variables, I am going to write a static method. In static method, we can use only static variables. To access static method, we need not to create any object. And in static method, we cannot use super or this keywords. A non-static method cannot be used in a static method, or a non-static variable cannot be used in a static method. Let us write a static method, display. In this display method, I am going to display this college name and branch with a print statement. College name and branch. So now let us take another method, a static method, which will give you the section for the corresponding roll number. Let us take a static method with return type character. Here character means the section corresponding to the roll number passed by the user. If roll number is less than 70, return A, that is A section. Else if roll number is between 70 and 140. Here we need not write less than 140 and greater than 70, because else if itself denotes that if condition will fails, then only it will enter the else if condition. So we can simply write if roll number is less than 140, then return B, else return C. Now let us call these two methods in this main method. We need not to create any object because these are static methods. We can simply call them by using the class name student. Now let us take a scanner and let us ask the user to enter the name and roll number. Before that, let us display the college name and branch. So I call the display method student.display. Student means class name, display is the static method. So student.display. It will display the name of the college and branch. And now I'm taking a variable name and a variable roll number, and I'm taking a scanner object to read the input from the user. As I already wrote java.util package, I can use scanner class and asking the user to enter the name and reading that name using next line. Now take an object and read the roll number. Now let us call this getSection method, passing the roll number. Before that, let us print the roll number and name with a print statement, and now I am calling this getSection method with student dot getSection of roll. Here it will give you the section. Now let us compile this. Now it displays the college name, and in static block we wrote student details in St. Anne's College, so it print the statement before executing the main method, and it print the college name and branch. It is asking to enter the name, so I entered the name, and it is asking to enter the roll number. I'm entering 167. That is, it is printing the name and roll number and section. 167 means section C. Here's complete program. In this program, we learned about the static block, static variable, and static method.